What's the meaning of contractual? Contractual. Contractual.
Contractual. Contractual. The term contractual refers to anything that is related to or governed by a contract. A contract is an agreement between two or more parties that lays out the terms and conditions of their relationship or transaction. Therefore, when something is referred to as contractual, it means that it is bound by the terms of a contract. This can include agreements between businesses, employment contracts, rental agreements, and many other types of legal agreements. In short, contractual simply means relating to a contract and being subject to its terms and conditions.